Good evening. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights for educational purposes using live streaming technologies. You can follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you will see how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data, as well as analyze Nifty on multiple time frames and frame a view for 26th October, that is Monday. And we would also be discussing a stock watch list for 26th October. And first of all, I'm going to start by telling you how you can access digital trading floor for free for 12 months. So all you have to do is type in your web browser www.digitaltradingflow.org, and once the website opens, you just have to click on access digital trading floor. And once you click on access digital trading floor, you would be able to see two boxes. One would be telling you about what is digital trading floor, and other would be providing you with an option for subscription. So digital trading floor is a platform on which I would be broadcasting my live trading from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. The live stream would be public from 9:15 to 10 a.m. and after 10 a.m. the live stream would be private from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So in order to access the private live stream content, you would need to subscribe to the private live stream content, and to access that, all you have to do is click on 12-month free subscription Samco. As you all know, I'm an authorized business partner of Samco, so you just have to register your account by entering your name, email and mobile number, and create a trading and demat account with Samco using my franchisee referral link. And once your account is up and running, then you would be able to access the private live stream content from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. as well. So this is how you access digital trading floor for free for 12 months. So let's begin by analyzing option open interest data. We will see that option max pain for 29th October monthly expiry has shifted from 11,700 to 11,800 levels. So if market were to expire at 11,800 levels on 29th October, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses in that scenario. And if we see the options open interest statistics, we will see that around 4.22 crore shares of puts have been written versus 3.77 crore shares of calls. And if we see, highest amount of calls have been written at 12,000 strike followed by 12,200 strike. And if we see the puts, we will see that maximum amount of open interest is at 11,800 strike followed by 11,500 strike. So it gives us a broad range of 11,500 to 12,200 levels on Nifty. And if we see the open interest change on intraday basis, on Friday, we will see that on Friday 80.46 lakh shares of calls were written versus 53.55 lakh shares of puts. And if we see, highest amount of calls were written at 12,000 strike and highest amount of puts were written at 11,800 strike. So for the near term, it gives us a range of 11,800 level to 12,000 level, and from the longer term perspective, it gives us a broader range of 11,500 to 12,200 levels. So if market were to break to the upside above 12,000 level, then we can potentially trade towards 12,200 to 12,300 levels. And on the flip side, if we break 11,800 levels, in that scenario, we can potentially trade towards 11,500 levels on Nifty, broadly speaking. If we see the price action today, on daily time frame, on Thursday we formed an inside candlestick, and on Friday we had a break to the upside. So we opened at higher levels, but we traded lower for the day and closed at around 11,930 levels. So that is why although we have broken to the upside, we still closed below the open. So it resulted in a red candlestick. And from trend perspective, we have broken to the upside and we have formed our first higher high and higher low from this area of balance. As you all know, inside candlesticks are those candlesticks in which there is an equilibrium between buyers and sellers. So if we see the straddle charts again, so 11,500 straddle chart was relatively flat. So it was not providing us with any indication, but however, if you were to see the 11,900 straddle, it was trading below previous day lows, as well as it was trending down for the day. So it gives us a clue that market was going to be trading towards the 11,900 levels. And if you remember, although we broke to the upside on daily time frame, we closed lower for the day, forming the red candlestick. So we opened at 11,957 levels, and we made a high of 11,974 levels before finally closing at 11,930 level. And you will all know that 11,930 is relatively closer to 11,900 levels. So that is why you will see that 11,900 straddle was trending down for the day. As you all know, we had an inside weekly candlestick this week. So we opened this week at 11,879.2 levels. So whenever market was above 11,879 level, it was under control of buyers, and below 11,879 levels, it was under control of sellers. So we finally closed this week under the control of buyers, relatively speaking. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, we will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 11,364 levels, and on weekly time frame, market was also under control of buyers above 11,879.2 levels. And if we project the weekly candlestick on daily time frame, we will see this is this whole week, and we formed an inside weekly candle. So this is the weekly candle's price action. So whenever the price was above 11,879.2, we had potential time frame continuity to the upside, and whenever it was below 11,879 levels, so market was under control of sellers. So as you all know, on Thursday we formed an inside candlestick and we had a break out to the upside. So that is why the weekly candlestick have closed in the green. So it gives us a clue that on the weekly time frame, market was under control of buyers as well. So I have also written a blog post. You can check it out on my website www.digitaltradingflow.org. I have mentioned the scenario of what is likely to happen if market breaks to the upside or the downside of this weekly inside candlestick. So you would be able to find this link in the description section of this YouTube video. So coming back to our analysis for Nifty, what is likely to happen above 11,930 level, we can potentially trade towards 11,974 levels, 11,991 levels, and potentially 12,014 levels. And on the flip side, below 11,908 levels, we can trade towards 11,891 levels, 11,868 levels, and potentially 11,842 levels. So it also reiterates overall open interest data that for the near term, market is in the range of 12,000 levels to 11,800 levels. Now we are going to analyze our stock watch list for Monday. So the stocks that we have selected are Oro Pharma. It's an inside candlestick. So if it breaks the highs, we'll look for buying opportunities, and if it breaks the lows, we'll look for selling opportunities in Oro Pharma. Godrej Consumer Properties, it's again an inside candlestick. So above Friday's highs, we will look for buying opportunity, and below Friday lows, we look for selling opportunity, as it's also an inside candlestick. The third stock is Wipro. So if it was also an inside candlestick, so we have range compression over here right now, and whichever way the market breaks, we'll look for buying opportunity or selling opportunity in Wipro. And the third stock is Torrent Power. So it's again an inside candlestick. So we'll look for buying opportunities above Friday's high and selling opportunities below Friday's low. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. I would request you to like this video, share, and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel. And in the description section of YouTube videos, you will be able to find various links of the products which Samco offers to its clients. And you can also check out the link to the blog post that we have discussed in this video. In that blog, you would be able to find the scenario on what is likely to happen if market breaks to either upside or the downside on the weekly candlestick. And I would again like to thank you all for watching this video.